Today we'll talk about another popular cryptocurrency called Algorand. Algorand is a decentralized network to solve the blockchain trilemma of achieving speed, security, and decentralization simultaneously. So here's a fun question. Which other altcoin claims to have solved the problem of trilemma? We have talked about this altcoin in our previous video. Let us know your answer in the comments below. Launched in June 2019 by a computer scientist and MIT professor Silvio Micali, Algorand is a permissionless and open source blockchain network upon which anybody can build. Algorand is designed to be a payments focused network with rapid transactions and a strong focus on achieving near instant finality. That means processing over 1,000 transactions per second and achieving transaction finality in less than 5 seconds. Algorand is a relatively young protocol. A non-profit organization called the Algorand Foundation oversees the funding and development of Algorand Inc. and the Algorand protocol itself. The Algorand Foundation supports developer education in universities and educational settings. Its global university program includes prestigious universities like MIT, UC Berkeley, and other leading institutions around the world. The Algorand Foundation further launched two accelerator programs in 2020, Algorand Asia Accelerator and Algorand Europe Accelerator, which focuses on assisting ongoing projects and developers interested in building on Algorand. Algo is the native Algorand cryptocurrency and is the cornerstone of its network structure. As part of Algorand's unique protocol design, the rewards paid to validators for producing blocks are split and distributed among all Algo coin holders, rather than being rewarded only to block producers. This means that all Algo coin holders can earn about 7.5% annual percentage yield APY as of February 2021. The reward distribution takes place about every 10 minutes and is intended to encourage users to join the Algorand staking platform and accelerate the path to decentralization. To make this process even easier, users don't have to actually stake the coins themselves as part of the blockchain production and validation process, but can simply hold Algo in a non-custodial wallet or on an exchange to access earned rewards. In this sense, Algorand has achieved near automation as stakers can passively hold Algo while also supporting the network. Let's talk about the tokenomics of Algo. The Algorand Foundation, the non-profit organization overseeing and funding the development of protocol, says that there are only 10 billion units of its Algo cryptocurrency. Algorand maintains a block explorer which keeps an official count of its circulating supply. A schedule of distributions which the foundation expects to be completed within 5 years of the protocol's launch can be found. Overall token distribution, 3 billion estimated Algos to be injected into circulation over the first 5 years, 1.75 billion estimated participation rewards distributed over time, 2.5 billion relay node runners distributed again over time, 2.5 billion Algorand Foundation and Algorand Inc, 0.25 billion end user grants distributed over time. Let's talk a little bit about the ASA protocol. Algorand Standard Asset Protocol allows developers to create new tokens or to transfer existing tokens to the Algorand system. For example, stablecoins like USDT and USDC also exist as ASAs on the Algorand blockchain and enjoy much higher throughput and much lower transaction fees than what is typical on Ethereum. Further, as central banks continue to research networks to host their central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, Algorand has become a viable option and has been chosen to host the Marshall Islands CBDC. Algorand staking mechanism is pure proof of stake. Algorand uses a unique variation of proof of stake called pure proof of stake. PPOS is a highly democratized POS consensus mechanism with a low minimum staking requirement for participating in and securing the network. Only one Algo coin is required to participate. By contrast, Ethereum 2.0 requires a minimum stake of 32 Ether, ETH, an amount which establishes a much higher entry barrier for users. How does the block production happen in Algorand under PPOS? On proof-of-stake networks, validator nodes are selected at random to confirm the transaction data in a block. Algorand's PPOS consensus mechanism utilizes a two-phase block production process consisting of proposing and voting. Any member of the Algorand network can participate in the proposing and voting procedure by staking Algo and generating a valid participation key to become a participation node. Participation nodes are coordinated by another type of Algorand network node called relay nodes, which facilitate communication among participation nodes and do not directly participate in proposing or voting. There are two stages that we want to talk about. The first one is the proposal phase. A block leader is selected in this phase to propose the current block. Block leaders are selected via Algorand's verifiable random function VRF, a provably random mechanism that selects nodes randomly but weighted by the relative size of their respective states. The second is voting stage. Following block proposal, we arrive at the voting stage where participation nodes are randomly elected to a committee responsible for ensuring that there are no double spend, overspend, or any other problems to have occurred in the current block. If the quorum agrees that all is well, the block is added to the blockchain. If malicious activity is detected, the network goes into the recovery mode, whereby the block is discarded and a new leader is selected. With this method of block production, two blocks cannot be proposed simultaneously for the same slot, which means that there should never be a fork of the blockchain. Once a block appears, it has already achieved consensus and users can rely on it immediately, eliminating a good deal of network latency. Some of the key properties of Algorand protocol we just wanted to summarize in this video. So the first one is low computation requirements. Like we said, there is no need of high energy consuming mining farms. There is fast agreement. The entire community agrees on the next block and confirms transactions with latency on the order of a minute while scaling to many users. Token holders can delegate their tokens if they wish to participate in the consensus. And there is a very low probability of having a fork. Users can rely on a new block as soon as it appears, even if the network is temporarily partitioned. Algorand ensures that no users have divergent views of confirmed transaction. This network can be said as a model of true decentralization. The network is not controlled by a few miners or validators, since committees and proposers are randomly selected. Community token holders can propose changes to the protocols and agree on its evolvability. Right now, Algorand is backed by some leading cryptocurrency and tech funds including MetaStable, Sparkpool, Multicoin Capital, Algo Capital, or even NGC. Last October, the company secured $66 million in equity funding. So with that, we'll be ending our video. Let us know in the comments what you think about Algorand. Is it going to be your next favorite altcoin? Like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.